This is how you reverse or mirror a photo on your iPhone. Open your Photos app, find a photo that you want to reverse or mirror, tap on this little icon down here, that's the settings, the adjustments for the photo, tap on crop, and then tap on this double triangle with the arrows on top. That's going to reverse it. And it's also called mirroring because it's just like a mirror. If I put a mirror right there along the edge of the photo, it'll reflect it, and the reflection will look like that. Tap on done, and now your photo is going to be saved facing a different direction. But what if you want to get the original back? There is no second photo that was just made. You edited the original. To get back to the original, tap on these three dots, tap on revert to original, and the original comes back. If you just do the same process, as a matter of fact, go back into the adjustments, tap on crop, tap on this icon, you can easily mirror it back as well. So that's not too big of a deal. But if you want to have both versions, you want to have this version and the mirrored version, tap on these three dots, tap on duplicate to make another version of this photo, and then mirror one of them, and then you have both of those options available. The more photos you have, the more space they take up on your phone, obviously. But there's a way to find more space on your phone without too much effort. This video shows you how to do that. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know. Then I'll see you on this one right here, where we find more space on your phone. I'll see you there.